Hello and welcome to Section 2 of Advanced Computer Vision Projects in Python 3. In these videos, we're going to see how we can detect and read license plates from images of cars. So, let's go straight to our notebook. Okay, so I think the overall problem is probably pretty obvious. Let's take a look at a sample image that we're going to analyze for these videos. Alright, so here's an example image of a car with license plate that's clearly readable, clearly visible. So the challenge here is that we want to actually find the license plate. We need to isolate where it is, and once that's done, we need to actually extract the characters from it. So kind of two challenges there. And there are a lot of solutions, a lot of algorithms out there that do this kind of thing. And let's take a look at another one. Oh, there's a nice one, a nice Mercedes-Benz. So there are a lot of algorithms for detecting license plates, kind of the same object detectors that are common, like there's the YOLO object detector, for example, that actually does a pretty good job with it, and all kinds of machine learning methods for this kind of problem. But we're going to take a more straightforward approach, and this is going to be different from, most other approaches out there, as well as kind of other approaches in this series of videos. Rather than using a heavy dose of machine learning, we're going to actually use conventional image processing and computer vision techniques. So no deep learning, no TensorFlow in this course. We're going to do things kind of the old-fashioned ways, and considered some other algorithms for this section, the deep learning and using OpenCV Tesseract with Python bindings, and they do work. There are successful approaches out there, but this was the best algorithm I can find, in terms of kind of learning computer vision and, doing image processing techniques where you really understand it. So we're not going to deal so much with black boxes in this course, but rather actually kind of get into the nitty-gritty a bit more. So if you understand this, you can learn a lot about image processing and how we can kind of do things straightforward. No disrespect to machine learning, of course, and we do just a tad of machine learning with the character recognition, but it's actually pretty simple stuff. Yep, going to be a little bit different, but hopefully, very informative and very educational. So, okay, with that, we're going to get started and look at some code in the next video.